Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to explain a simple way to detect memory leaks in C++ using the Visual Studio. I will start with a simple project which will show you how to configure your code, and we will add a little more code to this project to make the testing easier. I follow with the information of this web page from Microsoft.
In this project, we will see the minimal configuration to detect memory leaks when we created a object using new. But there are two things that we have to do. One of them is to add the header file, this CRT and the other thing is to set the minimum configuration via flags to allow the CRT detect memory leaks. And for this we use this function. And what's mean is of these flags. So for example, this means that this flag activated the detection of the memory leaks in the CRT. And this other flag set the detector checker to be called when the application exit. So well, we are not to comment this line because it's for the next trick. So well, now with all of this, we are going to compile. And we can see in the debug window detected memory leaks, and below this the information of the memory blocks which not have been freed. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is in this code. But for sure, we want to say in which part of the code the memory leaks is made. To know this, we can use this function. So, and this function allow us to break the the execution of the program when the number block 83 is going to be created. So we are now to the book and here, and in this point is going to be created the memory block 83. But it will be super cool that the Visual Studio tell us the source file and the line of code. And yes, we can make the Visual Studio tell us the file and the line, but this requires a little more work, but it's very easy, and we are now to see how to do it. I have added some classes and files to the project. I have added the classes class A, class A here, and class B. Class B. This is I have added these classes to make the app a little more complex, and also I have added the file memory leaks.h. Mm, what do memory leaks.h? Well, basically, this file redefines a new way of calling the operator new. This new way is to call the operator new with the information about the file and the line of code from where it's creating a new memory allocation. In this way, the CRT saves this information, and when a memory leak is made, the CRT displays this information on the debug window. And this allows us to see in which file and line of code the memory leaks has been made. So we rebuild the project, and let's go to see what happened. So here, um, as we can see in the debug window, where are 6 memory leaks, 5 of them is from this piece of code, and the 6 memory leaks is from this. So if we do double click here, 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 the Visual Studio take us to the line of code and the file when the memory list had been produced. So in this way, we have not to deal with block of memories, but only with files, names, and lines of code. More easier. Now we are going to see other way to find memory leaks, or at least to check that in the very important part of the source code is not made. In this piece of code, we call the method of the class B do tax2, which we know that inside the tax2 is going to be created a lot of objects of the head of different classes. But in the end, when the method doTax2 return, this object should be destroyed and the state of the memory should be equal as before calling it. To do this, we are going to call this functions and well, what does each of them? Well, this for the sample save the state of the memory in this point, and after saying the state of the memory, we call the method do task 2. We delete it, so for well for we don't need it, and here we we save the state the state of the memory before calling do task 2, and with the two state of the memory before call the do task 2, and after that we can check if there is some kind of different, and if there is a different, that means that the memory leaks had been made. So we call to the report function. So now we will the project and see what happened. Oh, so there is some kind of difference between this state of memory and this. So now we call this function. Okay, yes, here there is memory list, but where? So, but where? So here we can see that the memory links is made in this file and in this line. So, mm, so in this way, we will know if a very important source code is free of memory leaks. So, well, I hope this video has been helpful, and thank you for watching. See you.